Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll. Life been taking toll, I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute.
Hi fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So don't mind me in the beginning of this video, honey. It was 6:30 in the morning. Your girl, I was tired, but I had to get my work done, okay? This video is going to be sponsored by Ywigs. Shout outs to Ywigs for sponsoring me because I've been working with them since 2018, y'all, and they never fail. They are an ultimate company for beginners out there. I worked with them when I was beginning doing my wigs back in the day, and honestly, their hair quality is bomb, especially for the price. So this is pretty much how the wig came. It is a 13x4 lace frontal. It is not pre-plucked, it's not styled, it is not dyed, it is not layered, it is not curled, it is nothing, okay? And I wanted to show you guys exactly how I got this wig to look like $2,000. This is a $200 wig and we got this looking slayed, okay? So if you guys are ready to get into this whole entire video in this process, then stay tuned. Now this video is definitely going to be broken up into many parts because when it comes to slaying a wig, I do it in many parts. I'm going to be using some bleach today. It's from Blonde Brilliance. I have been using this bleach for the past couple of months, and when I say this is a savior for knots, honey, it is a savior. I'm also going to be using some neutral protein filler. This is actually going to be my first time showing you guys me use this on my channel. I'm going to be using this in my bleach mixture, and I'm also going to be using it later on in the video. So the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and mix up your bleach. I'm going to be using 35 Developer from Blonde Brilliance as well, and I'm just going to squirt a little bit of that neutral protein treatment in this because it just helps the knots just process a lot quicker without ruining our lace. I'm then going to move to use some Sebastian Reshaper spray. I'm going to take this product because we are going to put that in the front of our lace. I like to do this because I don't like my hairs getting in the bleach when I'm going to be bleaching my knots. I'm then going to take my mixture of bleach. I did let the bleach sit for about 5 minutes, and when 5 minutes is done, it's going to be pretty thick but not too thick because it prevents your knots from seeping through and then bleaching the top of your hair. For those that don't like to take the extra step that I'm going to be doing later on in the video, I really suggest you guys to let that bleach sit for a little bit before you go ahead to put it on the lace. So I did let my lace sit for 30 minutes, and then after that I'm going to move on to rinsing it out and using some shampoo and some purple shampoo. All of these shampoos I did get from Sally Beauty. If you guys did not see my Sally Beauty video yet, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out because I do talk all about these products. But I'm going to be mixing 2 purple shampoos together. I've been doing this for about 6 to 7 months now, and honestly it's the best thing for changing the orange knots on my frontal to a neutral tone, because the more neutral your knots are, the more realistic your lace is going to look. So after I go ahead and spread that purple shampoo on my lace, I do let it sit for about 25 minutes and then I rinse it out and let it air dry. Once it's air dry to my liking, I'm then going to do reverse knotting. So honestly, you guys, I don't know if anyone else does this process. I've been doing this process for years now. I feel like it's just the best thing for making my knots in my lace look as realistic as possible. This is a $200 wig, okay? So we have to move in and do some work on this. This is not $2,000 hair. This is not $1,000 hair. The reason people pay so much for hair is because they have to do less maintenance and less work. But because we are doing something very affordable, sometimes, honey, you gotta put in the work to get the results, okay? I'm then going to move on to doing a rinse color. I'm going to be mixing up two colors from Kiss. They are Royal Navy as well as Blue Black, both from Kiss Tintations. And then I'm also going to take some conditioner and mix these two conditioners together. And like I said, pretty much all the items that I use in this video is from Sally Beauty, but if it's not, I will definitely make sure that I get a link to put down below. I'm going to take that protein filler one more time, and I told you guys we were going to be revisiting this product later on. This is my ultimate secret for having my rinse be so consistent throughout the wig. I don't know about anyone else, okay? I don't really have that good of a time when it comes to rinsing my wigs in watercolor. Sometimes the watercolor is patchy, it does not get all the color on my wigs, and to forbid that from happening, I do go ahead and put this protein filler in the hair. It just makes it so that the hair sticks to my hair particles in my wigs. So I'm gonna let that protein treatment sit on my hair for 20 minutes. After that, I will blot it out with a towel to get any of that excess protein filler out of the hair. After that, I'm gonna take super steaming hot water and put my two color mixtures in my bowl, put some water in there, mix those two together, and then I'm gonna start to dip dye that wig into this mixture. Do not, and I repeat, do not put that wig all in this hair mixture because your lace will be stained. That is how potent and that is how prominent this hair color is as far as doing my blue black mixture. This is the perfect blue black rinse you can possibly get on your hair because it looks jet black, but in certain lighting, the hair does look like a blue tint to it, and it's so gorgeous. Instead of dipping the entire wig in that blue black mixture, I do take a applicator brush and just brush that on my lace to make it look a lot more blendable without ruining my lace. I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then after that, I'm gonna rinse it out, condition it, and then let it air dry overnight. We are now moving on to the plucking section of this video. Like I said, this is not $1,000 wig. This is not $500 lace. So we are going to have to move in to do some extreme plucking on this frontal. I'm so happy the fact that these knots on this frontal are not super thick. The hair on the frontal does come out pretty easily, but I did have to go in and pluck for about an hour to make it look as realistic as this. But like I said, this is a $200 wig. We're going to have to put in that work, period. After I pluck it to my liking, I will start to cut out any baby hairs to make it look a lot more natural. And then when I have my frontal looking how I want, I'm then going to move on to doing my part. I've been parting my hair and plucking the sides of my part to make it look so realistic. This is literally how my natural hairline does look. I have a ton of baby hair on my hairline, and this is literally mimicking my exact hairline, and it's fabulous. I'm then just going to move on to using my hot comb. This is the Hot Tools hot comb, my favorite hot comb at the moment. I do spray a little bit of my Sebastian Reshaper spray on the hairline and then just run my hot comb through that frontal. Now we are moving on to doing the styling portion of this wig, and I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I have used this product in my other video where I test out a different lace gel product. If you guys don't know what video I'm talking about, I will put that in this video as far as a card for you guys to go and check it out. But I did use this curling brush iron, and when I tell you guys, honestly, please go and get this from Amazon. This is the reason that the curls in my wig have stayed for days. I have posted on my story with this wig about 5 to 4 times, and every single time that I post this wig on my story, I did not recurl this hair. The reason that the curls stay in for so long is because of that curling brush. Get it from Amazon. It's super affordable, and it's the reason that my curls stay in my hair every single time I use it. After I use that curling brush, I will move on to using my curling iron. If you guys did not notice, I did not blow dry this hair at all. All I did was just let this hair air dry overnight, and then I move in with my curling brush to just give my hair some volume, and then I seal that off with my curling iron, which is a 2-inch curling iron from Hot Tools. After I've curled my hair to my liking, I'm just gonna spray some more of that Sebastian Reshaper spray. That is my favorite hairspray at the moment for using for my hot combs, as well as letting my curls sit in my hair. After that, I'm gonna take this rolling brush and I'm just gonna brush out the curls. The curls, like I said, do not drop because we did use that curling brush in the beginning of our entire styling process. And then when I brush out all of the curls, I'm gonna move on to layering the hair. This is the most realistic way to see how the hair falls because it is styled. I'm able to see exactly where my layers fall with the hair. We are moving on to the last step of video and we are almost done, y'all. This is the hair, this is how the wig is looking, and these are how the knots look. We are not done with this wig, y'all. I'm gonna take some lace tint from Ericka J. It's my favorite lace tint at the moment. I'm gonna spray that on the lace, let it air dry. I'm gonna seal it in with some powder. I love this matte coverage powder from CoverGirl. It's in the color tan golden. If you guys are my complexion, literally go out and get this product because it's the best thing for blending my knots in, and it's not shiny because it is a full coverage matte foundation. I'm going to put that foundation powder in my lace and then I'm going to put the wig on, and I'm going to show you guys how blendable and how pretty this color is on this wig. This blue black is everything. Like I said, it looks jet black in the camera, but if I move my head in different ways, you guys do see that midnight blue peeking through. I'm going to continue to put some powder on that lace, and every single time I put powder on the lace, I do take my comb and I do take some Sebastian Reshaper spray to spray that powder to let it sit into that hair, and then any excess powder I do get off with my comb. So this is pretty much the install portion of this video. I have so many install videos out on my channel already, preferably 2 videos where I sit and talk through the entire video using this Ebin lace spray. It's my most favorite lace spray at the moment. I have not put this lace spray down. Y'all know I'm a lace spray guru, okay? I use lace glue sometimes, not all the time, but pretty much on a daily basis, I do use my Ebin lace spray. I will be doing a black owned lace glue review very soon on my channel, but like I said, I was not leaving this wig on for too long, so I did go ahead and install it with both of my Ebin lace sprays.
Under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
So honestly, you guys, I had to show you guys again a before and after of this wig, because when I tell y'all, I slayed the hell out of this $200 wig. If you guys are on a budget, you guys don't want to spend a ton of money on wigs, but still want to get your wigs to look slayed and laid like Laurasia Andrea. Yes, I've been talking to myself in third person, but it is definitely possible. I took this $200 wig and literally slayed it from beginning to end on camera for you guys to see. I'm not lying. Okay, so I just go ahead and seal off any shininess on my hairline with some translucent powder, and that is pretty much it, you guys. This wig is so beautiful. I have not taken this wig off of my head. I've been literally wearing this wig every single day because it seriously looks like it could be my hair. If you guys love the way that I did everything in this video, make sure you guys thumbs up this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below how you guys feel about this whole entire transformation, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and as always, I love you guys. Bye.